Hello everyone!
こんにちは、皆さん。
Kumiko-san,
はい。
we have been talking and making videos about all the national holidays in Japan. What national holiday is it today?
今日は敬老の日です。
How do you say that in English?
It is called Respect for the Aged Day.
I see. Today's holiday is Respect for the Aged Day.
はい、そうですね。毎年9月の第3月曜日に設定されています。
It is celebrated on the third Monday of September each year.
敬老の日についてちょっと調べてみました。敬老の日とは、祖父母や両親、恩師など人生の大先輩を敬い、感謝するとともに長寿をお祝いする日です。
It is a day to respect your seniors in life, such as grandparents, parents, and teachers, etc. It is also a day to give thanks and celebrate longevity. Kumiko-san, what do people do on this day?
はい、そうですね。おじいさんやおばあさん、それから両親、そしていろいろとお世話になった人たちと一緒に時間を過ごしたりします。また食事を一緒にしたり、贈り物をしたりもできますね。
I see. They spend time together with their grandparents, parents, and other people, such as those who took care of them in some way. They also eat together and they give gifts to older people. This is a wonderful holiday.
はい、そうですね。そう思います。
So everyone, please enjoy this wonderful holiday.
皆さん、この素晴らしい祝日をお楽しみくださいね。
Please also have a look at the description or comments to see what we said in this video.
この動画で何を言ったかについては、概要欄やコメントをご覧ください。
We've also added many pictures of seniors at the end of this video. Please have a look.
この動画の最後にたくさんの絵を載せてありますのでご覧ください。
See you next video.
次のビデオでお会いしましょう。
Goodbye.